Hi all, so welcome to this channel, and in this video I am presenting this topic. The system creates a job log when it is idle long enough and the system logs the user out, but how I can have this created all the time, that is whenever a user sign out. So basically I'm going to discuss here is whenever system is idle for long enough, the system basically logs out the user. But can we have any mechanism which we can use so that whenever we sign out from the IBMI, we have the job log created? So yes, for that purpose we have that thing. So for example, I do work job here and I do work member PDM, then I'm creating some, say, PF PF1 in library QTemp with some record length. So I'm performing all these activities, so I want that the job log should get created whenever I sign out, so that I would have a track of what I have done in that session. So basically whenever we are working in the production environment, so what happens usually, we need to give the job log for what we have done in the session. So for that purpose, the admin teams or admin department wants us to create a job log whenever we sign out from the system, because that's basically keep track of what you have done in the system, what commands you have run on the in the session, in your session. So let me tell you, whenever we sign off, the first thing is to note down the job number, because that is required whenever we want to track the job log. So we have taken a note of the job details. Now whenever I sign off, just sign off, take F4 here. So we have different option. So you can see the first option, which is by default star no list. So here if you see, we have two options, star list or star no list. So if I specify a star list, so it will basically print all the spools, job log for the spools, or whatever spools you already have generated in your session. So it will keep all the things, all the spools or the job log for your session, with that job whenever you select this star list. So let's press enter. Now you are out of your session, so you logs out, and but you have created your job log. Let me tell you how you can look for that. So I again logs in. Now what I will do, I'll do work SPLF. So here I need to select star all, and here I need to give the job details, job username and job number. So you can see whatever the spools, if I would have any spools there, they would be coming here, and the job log would be coming here. So you can see this job log of that session which you have just signed out. So you can just check. So just come to bottom, and from the last we can see object this was in qtem type star file deleted, sign off. So you can see what are all those commands which I triggered, like work member PDM, just go above work job. These are the system things, operations which were performed when I signed in. Then I perform work member PDM, create PF file, this gets created in QTemp, member this added to file PF1 in QTemp. then I perform work job to take that job details information, then I lastly run this. So whenever I run this, what it did, it just deleted all the objects from the qtemp. So qtemp had only pf1, so it deleted that, and you can see the job is end. So you can see the job log. So now from now onwards, I think those who knew it, then that's good to them, but those who don't know this, they would come to know that they can get their job logs printed when they are signing out from the production sessions, because that's keep a track of what they have done in their session, and they never had to worry about the things then that what they have done there. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.